various treaties in which these devils broke. The treaty with the Delawares, Treaty of Fort Pitt, Treaty of Hopewell. See? Treaty of Fort Wayne. This devil, Andrew Jackson, an Indian Removal Act of 1830. See? Different treaties in which these devils broke. Now, we're not going to read this article in its entirety, but I do want to read the head in here. It says, from 1778 to 1871, the United States signed some 368 treaties with various indigenous people across the North American continent, which that number, 368, is nothing more than a speck of dust on the balance scales, man. All right, it was much more treaties, see, and covenants and pacts that this man broke, which a lot of them was verbal, oral treaties. Now it says concluded during the nearly 100-year period from the Revolutionary War to the aftermath of the Civil War, some 368 treaties would define the relationship between the United States and Native Americans for centuries to come. It says the treaties were based on the fundamental idea that each tribe was an independent nation with their own right to self-determination and self-rule. But as white settlers, or Edomites, began moving onto Native American lands, this idea came into conflict with the relentless pace of westward expansion, resulting in many broken promises. See? Resulting in many broken promises on the part of the U.S. government. And that same old serpent, that devil and Satan, is here today. And how do we know that? Well, no matter how much this man tried to present himself as being pious, truthful, well, he is who he is. So you have the so-called white man, in the form of Biden, making promises that he wouldn't mandate wearing masks or you being inoculated, only to turn around and break those promises. See? Proving that this is the same devil today, yesterday, and forever. As it is written in the book of Ecclesiasticus, the 12th chapter, never trust thine enemy, for as iron rusteth, so does his wickedness, man. Which you can't reverse that process of iron rusting it. See? So this man being a liar, promoting falsehood, deceiving the people by way of, luring you, snaring you by way of treaties and contracts, legislations and laws, only to renege on them. Well, that's a part of his makeup. See? It's consistent